Hello everybody, this is Brian Garvin from Oceanside, California. It's slightly overcast outside, but other than that, we got perfect weather out here today. Just beautiful. Today, this is going to be actually a very short video. It's only going to be a few minutes long. I'm going to talk about how the U.S. just passed the FIT21 bill. It's FIT21 bill. And this stands for the Financial Innovation and Technology Act for the 21st century. Well, the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act. It's actually called the FIT21 bill, or FIT21. But before I do this, I have to still read you my legal disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. Everybody, including myself, are all responsible for our financial investments and endeavors. That being said, let's get started. Okay, the FIT21 bill was a Republican-led bill that aims to set legal rules for the digital asset industry. This new bill will take power away from the SEC, or the Security and Exchange Commission, and transfer it to the Commodity Futures and Trading Commission, or CFTC, to oversee crypto assets, which are categorized as digital commodities. Now, this is great, but it's got some criticism to it. Y'all probably know Gary Gensler from the SEC. He wasn't too happy with this bill passing. He claimed it would put digital asset investors at immeasurable risk due to the creation of new gaps in regulations. Also, President Joe Biden wasn't happy with it either. He said he disapproves this bill. However, he doesn't seem to have any plans to veto it. So I'm pretty sure the bill's going to stay in effect. This is another small win for the crypto industry, and what I've noticed is just about everything is going in the way of crypto. Basically, the Coinbase lawsuit with the SEC, I think Coinbase, it has an edge on that right now, and the Ethereum ETF, that's going to be improved in May. I think there's a better chance of it getting approved now than it was just a couple weeks ago. So let's keep getting these base hits and get and allow crypto to get mass adopted. So it was just a short video to let you know about the Financial Innovation and Technology Bill for the 21st century. So in case you didn't know, now you know. So I just gave you a little bit of alpha. But what I wanted to let you know was on the next video, I'm going to be discussing a one-of-a-kind stock play, the one that only comes up about once in a decade. It's no different than being on the ground floor of Amazon, Netflix, Uber, Lyft, Nvidia, Microsoft, or Apple. All of us, I'm sure, missed those plays. If you're watching this video, you probably missed it. I know I missed all of them. I also missed NEO, which was 17 cents, the crypto. I missed that. And I bought one Bitcoin in 2018 for $3,600, but I should have bought 4 or 5 more. But, you know, you live and learn, right? But this is our chance to take advantage of something just as powerful. And I'm going to go over that either if I don't release it tomorrow morning, because I'm still writing the script right now, I'm going to release it probably on Saturday. So today is Thursday. So I'm going to try to release this in the next day or two. I'm still working on the script because presentation's everything, right? Okay, so that's about it. Peace out, and I'll be in touch very soon. Thank you.